In this video, we are going to walk through the features of the 2023 Yamaha FX HO WaveRunner and install the GPS Maps card. This ski has a 1.8 high-output engine with a top speed of around 62 miles per hour. With a curb weight of about 960 pounds and an SMC fiberglass hull known for its ability in all conditions, this is one of the most comfortable riding jet skis on the water. First, we see the custom-cut mats and footwell drains. As we move to the stern, we see the chrome Yamaha logo and the typical factory sponsons. However, the sponsons have been moved forward almost 2 inches to improve stability when riding more aggressively. The left side of the handlebar includes the ride control lever for changing into neutral or reverse, the trim control for easier handling of choppy waters, the Yamaha TDE feature for controlling docking, the button for cruise control and no wake mode, and the kill switch mechanism. Under the handlebars, you'll find the spring-loaded glove box with LED-lit USB and 12-volt plug-ins. Here, we also have the Yamaha glove box organizer accessory that includes Velcro separation walls and mesh zippered pockets. Above the glove box, we have the lever for tilting the handlebars in the middle and the Connect screen controls on the right. On the right side of the handlebars is the throttle, the cruise control speed adjustment, and the button to turn the ski on and off. Under the left side of the handlebars are the audio controls for Bluetooth audio and phone calls, along with the noise-canceling microphones for calls on the go. Next, we see the 4.5-inch factory speakers and the footwells, the 5.5-inch touchscreen, the cup holders that allow for RAM mount accessories such as this GoPro camera setup. The spacious spring-loaded bow storage has a mount for your fire extinguisher and room for all your gear, including accessories like these Yamaha fenders and this Yamaha soft-sided cooler. Under the rear seat is an additional waterproof storage compartment that removes to allow access to the inner rear hull. The Connect screen has many functions and can be controlled by the control pad we saw under the handlebars as well as the touchscreen. The home menu shows speed via GPS, fuel level, trim setting, and more. The map screen will show GPS maps when a map card is purchased and installed. The trip information screen shows data such as trip time and distance, engine hours, along with fuel usage. The drive control screen allows you to set maximum speed, control acceleration levels, and more. Next is our Bluetooth screen to control the audio, then the settings screen, and lastly, a quick view of the pin screen before a safety feature powers down our screen to save battery life when the WaveRunner is not turned on. Now, let's install a GPS Maps card. After ordering an inland and coastal waters map of USA and Canada from innovationmaps.com for $200, a small USB dongle arrived in the mail a couple of days later with no instructions. To install this, we first open the front hatch to access and remove this small door. This is done by finding and removing the two 10mm bolts from below. Once the door is removed, you have access to a small tethered black knob on the right. Unscrew it to gain access to the USB port. Plug in the Maps card. Put the cap back on and make sure it's turned to a secure position and reinstall the doors and bolts. Power on the ski and open the Maps screen. A GPS signal will be acquired and Maps will automatically show you your live location and movements. Here's a look at the maps in use. The Maps menu now also allows us to create a route, set a geofence, and more. Thanks for watching our review of the 2023 Yamaha FX HO WaveRunner, and make sure to check out our Mississippi Ski Riders Facebook group.